Sir Eddie, direct, bakit kailangang abangan ng mga solid Eraserhead fans at mga solid OPM fans itong docu ng Eraserheads?
Kasi ngayon lang nila, I think, mapapanood yung banda na ganito ka, I guess, forthcoming and sincere. And also, just to revisit the whole history of the Eraserheads, na if you're a really huge fan, you'd be interested at marami pa dito na hindi nila nalalaman.
Direct, gaano ka-challenging i-direct at gawa ng documentary ang icons like Eraserheads?
Sa sobrang hirap niya, ito na siguro yung pinakahuli kong documentary. Hindi, nasabi ko na siya before na it would be my first and last documentary. I have tremendous respect for documentary filmmakers kasi nakita ko talaga kung gaano kahirap gumawa ng isang documentary. It took us 2 years para ma-complete yung documentary kasi ganun kadami ang material about the guys. Tas on top of that, it's like getting these guys who's notorious for being evasive and aloof to sit down and talk about things that's already difficult to talk about. Tapos nun, ganun pa yung, di ba, ganun natin sila, ganun yung pagkakakilala natin sa kanila. So, pero yun nga, parang I was very lucky na parang timing lang siguro talaga na parang I mean, may maturity na, may wisdom na hindi naman nila binigyan ng masyadong, hindi naman masyadong mahirap to get that honesty and alam mo, vulnerability out of them. So it really showed the strength and also the maturity na siguro natin nila over the years. Yeah.
Why is this the best time na ipalabas itong documentary? Timing ba dahil malapit yung election, etc.? Why is it the best time for this documentary to be out?
Definitely not because of the elections. There's nothing political about the movie. As a matter of fact, this was already conceived 2 years ago when there was nothing, vaguely political going on. But it's hard to explain why it felt right. To me personally, I was, I think, just ready to speak my own truth, and I think the other boys in the band also felt the same way.
Um, Bakit 3 araw lang to, Sir Ed? Weekends, ang dami na nabibitin. 3 araw lang
Yeah.
daw.
Alam naman natin kung gaano kahirap to get, screening time dito sa industriya natin. And I think we're very lucky to even get a nationwide release thanks to Warner Brothers. But documentaries kasi, as you know, are kind of a niche genre, and we're just parang playing it safe na at least people will find time over the weekend to watch this film.
Will there be international release? Tiyatanong ng mga Pinheads fans sa ibang bansa.
We hope so. Yeah, I mean, direct can answer this.
Yeah,
Well,
direct.
international release, we hope so. Ganun din yung sagot ko. So, parang, of course, if there's a demand, it's something na we could explore.
May, ano, no, may sinabi doon sa tagline ng documentary, in time of uncertainty and political upheaval, group of punks provide solace to a country, knowingly leading themselves. So my question is, are you guys healed na? Have you found healing?
Um, uh, to answer that, I would have to be more parang careful because I don't want this to be parang saying na, oh, everything's okay. It's healing. I think is an ongoing process, but at least with this film, I think uh, it's the beginning. It's the start of our own personal healing, and we are very much actively trying to keep it that way and keep moving forward and be positive.
Yeah.
Yes. Direct.
I mean, I think as with any relationships, 'di ba? Parang conflict will always arise. So I think the difference with, when you're going through a process of healing and when that is intentional, it's the difference in approaching the conflict, 'di ba? So yun yung pinaka pagkakaiba dun sa healing. Kasi hindi naman mawawala yung conflict sa buhay. It will always arise, 'di ba? So where it's in the manner of which we resolve things that spells the difference.
Mensahe, I mean, mensahe sa mga original supporters talaga ng EX mula noon hanggang ngayon na hindi lang nanood ng concert nyo, na talagang aabangan itong documentary na to.
Message is, of course, thank you very much for still being there. I mean, for a time, I think the band lost contact with the real fans who were keeping quiet, and it's really good to see all that support dun sa 2022 concert, and I hope you support this project of the Eraserheads as well, the Combo on the Run documentary.
Direct invite our kapatid, our audience to watch this documentary.
Okay, so everyone, please try to watch Combo on the Run. It will be in cinemas nationwide from March 21 to 23.